Hello, this video presentation is part 2 about the rules of exponents. Basically what we're going to do is 2 examples that are more complicated. That's all. No more rules. Alright, as we looked at yesterday, first thing you want to do is clean up the numerator, clean up the denominator. Look at each one separately. So here on the numerator, I have 2 raised to the negative 4th, x to the negative 4, y to the negative 4. Power to a power. Denominator, negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. X and x squared. Y to the third times y to the third, y to the 6th. Now, something I didn't do yesterday is another way to clean these up, I guess, if you will, is instead of saying negative 4 minus 2, looking at the exponents here, and having x to the negative 6th, I can just move x to the negative 4th down to the denominator. Any negative exponent, I can move up or down. So, I'm going to bring this down to, and now it's to the positive 4th, x to the positive 4th, y to the positive 4th. Each one of these had a negative exponent. Now it's a positive exponent. And looking at the denominator, I know I'm going to be negative, so I'm going to just take care of that right away. Times 4x squared y to the 6th. I'm just making all my exponents positive. I need a 1 in the numerator. Then I start multiplying. Equals 1. 2 to the 4th is 16. Forgot my negative. X to the 4th, x to the 2nd, x to the 6th, y to the 4th, y to the 6th, y to the 10th, times my 4. Or negative 1 over 4 times 16 is 64, x to the 6th, y to the 10th. And that's it. You are better off doing it little by little, one step at a time. All right, one more example. All right, my next example is this. Now, looking at this, we want to always try to simplify things. I said simplify the numerator first and the denominator. Do them separately. However, if there's something that will cancel, this negative 2 here and this negative 2 here don't cancel because I have this exponent right here. However, this negative 2 and this negative 2 do cancel. All right? If there's something that cancels, cancel it. All right. Now I'm going to work on my numerator. Y to the 0, that's just 1. Okay? And 1 times x is x, so we can cancel it out. All right. Now looking at my numerator, negative 2 to the second power is positive 4. X to the second power, x to the sixth power, over x to the negative fourth, y to the third, all raised to the negative third. Now, x to the second, x to the sixth is x to the eighth. So I have 4 x to the eighth okay, I wish I could go back in time and see what I did. This is x to the fourth. Why did it become x to the sixth? I have no idea. So this is an x to the fourth. And now we have x to the sixth over x to the negative fourth, y to the third, all raised to the negative third power. And we're almost done. Now, I'm going to bring the x to the negative fourth up. So we have 4 x to the sixth, and now I have x to the fourth over y to the third, all raised to the negative third, or 4 x to the 10th, y to the third, raised to the negative third. Now, another thing that we can do, because this is a negative exponent, I can move the numerator and the denominator. 4 x to the 10th, all raised to the third power. All right? If I make everything a negative exponent, it's going to flip-flop, numerator and denominator. And I'm almost done. Y to the 9th over 64, 4 to the third is 64, x to the 30th power. That's it. That's all there is to it. Have a great day.